Cognitive clarity, fuel your brain. At any age, if you saw my last video, you know how exciting the science is. Brain energy restored, plaques cleared, memory protected. That's the inspiration behind cognitive clarity. Each serving gives you 500 milligrams of NAD+, the same coenzyme your body depends on to power every cell, plus quercetin and resveratrol for extra antioxidant support. Together, they help boost focus, support memory, and protect against age-related decline. Think of it as plugging your brain back into the power grid. Cognitive clarity isn't about chasing youth. It's about keeping your mind steady, sharp, and strong so you can enjoy life on your terms. Go to avitasana.com today and discover how cognitive clarity can help you stay vibrant at any age. Please share this video, hit like, click subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss the next message.